Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today video will be very helpful for you because in this video I will be sharing very creative, very classy and very amazing, easy to make, handmade, hand knitted crochet flower designs. Yes friends, the whole entire video contains very unique and stylish latest trendy messages in itself. You can use these handmade crochet flowers for a number of ways, because the first step every crochet beginner should take is he or she should start making crochet flowers. Not he or she should start some long time taking complex projects so that he could not be able to make them in time, or a lot of progressive effort is required. So it is very important for every beginner or any sort of hand art or any task beginner that he or she should start with the easiest task so that he could proceed in a systematic and hierarchical way. So before going further into the detail of this video or into the depth of this video, I have a very simple request to you that friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, or if you are new to my channel, or you are watching my content for the first time, then friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And friends, not only this, if you really like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. So friends, now let's move back to the video details. Friends, as you could see that these crochet flowers are very easy and they are very beautiful at the same time. For extreme initiators or beginners, I would request you to exactly use these same patterns and use wool for making these flowers, and kindly use a wool of medium or thick size, because for thin wool you have to knit again and again, and many small stitches would be taken and a flower would require a much effort. So friends, you can design these very beautiful flowers with the help of beads, pearls, like this pink flowers has been shown with white color beads decoration. Friends, my basic suggestion and my opinion to you would be that kindly you can make these patterns very easily, step by step, and if you can make them exactly, then you can use them for a variety of ways. Like friends, for a variety of ways, I will discuss them one by one. For dress designing, you can make these flower patterns onto your baby girls frocks, onto your shirts, kurtis, frocks, maxis, gowns, and for the decoration of your hand knitted, handmade sweaters, cardigans, ponchos, and even onto your handmade, hand knitted gloves, socks, trousers. And these flowers will also look extremely beautiful and exquisite onto your granny square based patterns, onto your handmade, hand knitted bags, footwear, girls fashionable accessories, vanity bags, cosmetic bags, grocery bags. And not only this, onto your mobile glass covers, onto your glasses covers, and much more. Even you can design your cushion covers, pillow covers, your bed sheets with these very beautifully made crochet flowers. And not only this, you can use them for a wide variety of creative DIY decorative stuff, like hoop art, like decorating them onto your walls, cupboards, onto your hoop art accessories, and much more. So if you really like these designs and the whole video, kindly don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So with this, allow me to leave. I will soon be back with you along with some new stylish and trendy ideas from my channel. You can get all sort of women fashionable trendy ideas. So thank you so much for watching my content. Meet you in new video with new stuff.